One of the points that Simon very eloquently made in his presentation was the more that you read and read and read proposals, the better you're going to get at actually writing your own ones. What we're going to do today is we're going to put you in the seat of a reviewer. You're getting to see 2 actual written applications as part of this workshop. So we want you to read through them individually and then in groups of 3 to 4. Using this EPSRC assessment criteria, we want you to then make a judgment as to whether you think the application is at a quality standard to be funded, and maybe using some of the points that Simon mentioned in his presentation about is it a good idea, is it the right person, to provide some critical, friendly advice and support back to the applicants then on whether you'd fund it or not and any feedback.